Hello children, welcome to GK class. And in last classes we had discussed so many national parks and where they are located. Today some more national parks are there. Those national parks we are going to discuss. See Mathikettan Shola National Park, it is located in Kerala. Pronounce, see, observe the pronounce Mathikettan Shola National Park and Pambadam Shola National Park. Both are present in the state of Kerala only. And don't confuse here, both are having Shola. See here, Mathikettan Shola National Park and Pambadam Shola National Park. Coming to Periyar National Park and Silent Valley National Park. Periyar National Park. The Periyar National Park speciality is, it is Tiger Reserve. This national park is especially for the conservation of our national animal tiger. This is Tiger Reserve. If you see the name board of Periyar National Park, main name board, they are written Periyar Tiger Reserve. Okay, that is also national park, but especially for the conservation of animal tiger. And coming to Bandhavgarh National Park, this is also Tiger Reserve. This is also one of the tiger reserve in our country. See here, Silent Valley National Park is not tiger reserve. This is national park which is having all the animals, but the Periyar National Park and Bandhavgarh National Park, both these national parks are tiger reserves. And Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. This Bandhavgarh National Park and Kanha National Park, both are located in the state of Madhya Pradesh only, but the Bandhavgarh National Park is the tiger reserve. This Kanha National Park is not tiger reserve. It consists of all the animals. And coming to next one, Pench National Park. See here, the Pench National Park is named with the person Indira Priyadarshini, who is the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru daughter Indira Gandhi, her full name Indira Priyadarshini, is named to this national park. And Pench National Park, there is one more Pench National Park is there, we will discuss later. Don't be confused with this name. If they are asking Indira Priyadarshini National Park or otherwise Pench National Park, both are same. If they are mentioning name also, don't be confused. It is present in the state of Madhya Pradesh. And next one, Panna National Park and Satpura National Park, Chandoli National Park. All these national parks are located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Chandoli National Park is present in the state of Maharashtra. See here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 national parks are located in Madhya Pradesh, but this Chandoli National Park is located in the state of Maharashtra. And next, Gugamal National Park, Navegon National Park, Pench National Park. See here, another Pench. We discussed here Pench National Park. It is named with Indira Priyadarshini, but this Pench National Park, which is located in Maharashtra, is named with Jawaharlal Nehru. Both are Pench National Parks only, but Pench National Park, which is located in Maharashtra, is named with our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. And Pench National Park, which is located in Madhya Pradesh state, is named with Indira Priyadarshini. Okay, don't be confused. Next, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It is also located in the state of Maharashtra. And Todoba National Park. It is also located in Maharashtra. See, one more time I am revising. See, Mattiketan Shola National Park in Kerala, Pambadam Shola National Park, it is also in Kerala, and Periyar National Park, it is also in Kerala, and Silent Valley National Park, it is also in Kerala. In Kerala, 4 national parks are there. Then next, in Madhya Pradesh, see, in Madhya Pradesh, Bandhavgarh National Park, Kanha National Park, and Pench National Park, or otherwise Indira Priyadarshini Pench National Park, and Panna National Park, Satpura National Park. These all are present in the state of Madhya Pradesh. In these Madhya Pradesh national parks, 2 are tiger reserves. One is Bandhavgarh National Park and Panna National Park. Both are tiger reserves, especially for the conservation of our national animal tiger. Then Chandoli National Park, it is in Maharashtra, and Gugamal National Park, Navegaon National Park, and Pench National Park with the name of Jawaharlal Nehru. They are asking sometimes Jawaharlal Nehru Pench National Park, otherwise simply Pench National Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and Todoba National Park. These all are located in the states of Maharashtra. So children, so far we discussed 50 national parks in our country. Okay, you have to by heart all these national parks. Why? Because compulsorily one question coming from these national parks in your All India Sainik School entrance examination. So you have to go through all these 50 national parks compulsorily. And if you are facing any problem while by hearting these national parks names, means you do one thing. You just write the state name, the name of the state, and write the national parks under that state, and then you have to try to learn those national parks comes under which state. Then you will segregate like this, means it will become easy to all of you to memorize those national parks. If you segregate with the names of states, and under that state if you are writing those national parks, means it is easy to memorize all these national parks. So this is about national parks of India. Please pause this video and write all these national parks. We have what and all we had discussed in earlier classes. All the national parks you have to go through thoroughly. You have to keep it in mind. All these national parks compulsorily one question coming from these national parks. This is about our national parks. We will discuss in next class next topic. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day.